bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking crack. Yo, bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell yo, best.
Get that black, yo. Queen.
Friend, shut the fuck up. Hey.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another one. So if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's popping, y'all already know what to do. So y'all, we like to get right into it over here. So basically I am cutting off the bottom of the pants leg so we can go ahead and make our stacks. And also y'all, I will be doing some patchwork to it. I'm not gonna do too much, so I'm just adding a little razzle dazzle to the pants. So basically on this part I am going in and taking out parts of the pants that I wanted to use, like the pockets, the belt loops, etc. So y'all, while we do that, I just wanted to talk to y'all, update y'all on a little stuff. So y'all, I got tons of orders that's already complete. I'm just currently waiting for some of my clients to wear their items, which will be this weekend. So every Wednesday some fire is coming. Like, I am so freaking excited for y'all to see this stuff that I got. I think I told y'all last week that I did do my custom pair of shoes, but I was debating this week on which one to post first. So I decided to post these, but next week I will be posting the shoes. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button so y'all don't miss out on the video. Make sure y'all hit the post notification button as well. And y'all, it's getting really close to October, meaning I will be going to LA for my very first model event. Super exciting, very dope, y'all. I'm not really too scared right now, but I'm excited. So this is what we came out with. Like I said, we're not doing too much on the pants because the shirt got its own thing going on, and it's like a little razzle dazzle. Y'all know how this fashion shit go. So right here I am going to go ahead and cut out a little patch, and we'll be adding some of the green fabric to the back of that. And I don't want to talk too much, so I'm gonna let y'all enjoy, and I'll be back. And y'all, she found like the perfect match for this. Like, how? Super dope. But right now I am just, you know, pulling a couple of strings to give it that little distressed look. Okay, babe, so now we're gonna go ahead and connect the stacks. We're gonna turn them inside out and basically slide them up the pants leg like so. And when you slide them up, you want to make sure you have both of the seams lined up so you can get that nice and neat look. And right here, as you can see, I am sewing it around, and it's a little thick right here because, you know, you're attaching the pants. If you want, you can always cut it out. It's, like I said, it's optional, totally up to you. I always cut mine out. So that is basically it, and this is how it should be looking. And I did go ahead and hem up the bottom of the pants. You can keep the raw look if you want, but I decided to hem these. And now I am just basically attaching all the pieces on the pants where I want them. And of course you'll be moving things around just to get that look that you're going for. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch and enjoy that. Okay, so y'all, basically I kind of got everything kind of sort of mapped out into where I want to put it, and this is where I start to get creative and add like the green fabric and stuff right here, and then I'm gonna do a little effect right there. So this is one of my favorite little parts. I like this. So basically I'm just going to do like a little green outline of around this small pocket, and then I'm going to put it towards the bottom of the stacks and to give it a little razzle dazzle. But yeah, we're going to probably start gluing everything down now. And then yeah, so this is what it's looking like. And we're gonna use our hot glue gun and glue, and that's about it, y'all. Like, super dope pants, nice and simple. Didn't spend too much money on it. Like I said, she got the pants for forming meals, and really good quality pants at that. Then make sure y'all also subscribe to my channel so y'all don't miss out. Like I said, y'all gonna be super surprised on some of the stuff that I got coming soon, because I've been shocking myself lately, honestly, like for real. So now to attach the green part of the pants, we gotta turn the inside out, and then I am just gonna basically glue it on from the inside like so. Okay, so y'all, while we do that, I also thought about something else to tell y'all. So I am currently working on my business credit. Y'all, it seems like being an entrepreneur, your work is never done. I'm always working. I always have something to do. But I actually like it. I love being busy and having things to do throughout my day, but it literally never seems like it ends. So all you mothers out there that's entrepreneurs, I definitely salute you, sis. Like, keep it up, because this shit is not easy at all. But I make it look easy though. So yeah, business credit is going up, y'all. If you know, you know. Get on it. If y'all got business, make sure y'all get y'all LLC. And if y'all interested in learning any of that stuff, make sure y'all comment a green heart down below, and I will be maybe looking to give y'all some type of videos on it if I get enough green hearts down below. But yeah, right here, this is one of the little creative little parts that I end up doing. Came out super dope, and like I said, y'all, we were not doing too much to the pants. We just want to do a little razzle dazzle. But y'all, after we do all the gluing, that'll be all. The pants will be complete. So let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. I love y'all so much. Make sure y'all subscribe for next week. I got some heats. Bye.